There's the Brandts house. We are now heading back home. This is the road. That little thing, that little head over there is Jolie. Addison is well ahead of us. This is our path. We went a long way for cookies, but now we're trying to get home before the sun sets, because we got Lulu at home. And we're trekking our way back through the snow. We're on our way home.
But nothing's passable. Yeah. So we're snowed in. Yeah. You guys look good though. Yeah, we've been shoveling like all day. Have you? Oh,
We've seen a lot of driveways, and yours was one of the cleanest. So, gold star on your forehead.
Mom, when you turn back,
It's all fun and games until someone falls in the snow. I need a way to stick this in my hat so I don't have to keep holding it. Continue on, my boy.
no, my hand went all the way through.
Your hands are going to get cold if you keep doing that. The trees down.
My leg's starting to hurt again. Mom, you're gonna need to carry me.
Riley, keep going.
My leg is starting to hurt.
No more complaining. Keep going.
Go on without me.
Don't tempt me.
Let me go. God, give mercy on my soul. Please. Don't go the wrong way.
Hey guys, keep going, Riley. Riley,
I can't.
continue on. Keep going. We're 3 minutes and 40 seconds in. If we don't make it back in 10 minutes, we won't be able to upload it to YouTube. They've got a 10-minute limit. Move on!
why are you taking the whole thing?
Because I can. Continue on. That way everyone can have this experience with us.
Who would want it?
Not me. But yet here I am. All right, we're leaving you behind. Excuse me. Good luck, Riley. See if we can catch up to Jolie. This is our nicely plowed road, public road. Thinking maybe 4 or 5 days before they get to us. Riley, let's go. Seriously. Riley! Let's go! You gotta keep moving, buddy.
That's right. I had to bring my basket down home.
Or she gets carried.
Hey, puppy.
Are you posing, Jetta? Alright, we're going to go for a little walk and hope to...
Alright, keep going. Keep going. Alright, halfway.